Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to deal with ribbon chart. Ribbon chart is almost similar like that of a stacked column chart, but there are certain differences between ribbon chart and stacked column chart. The ribbon chart is having some advantages over the stacked column chart. It looks almost similar to that of stacked column chart, but we can get more insights than that of stacked column chart. It can be better known as sorted stacked column chart because the higher values will be shown above the lower values. If you're giving two measures and it is shown in the x-axis, whenever one measure comes above the other, the higher value will be shown up and the lower value will be shown down. It is not like similar to that of stacked column chart where one value will be above and one value will be down. Here the value will change according to the higher value. So here we can see, okay, this first female, the gender female is coming up and the male is coming down. And now here in 2014, it has changed. Male is coming up and female is coming down. We can take the AdventureWorks data warehouse and from that we can take three tables, that is dim date, fact internet sales and dim customer. You can get it from the SQL server. Just give the server name. We'll take the AdventureWorks framework and we'll take the dim date, dim customer and dim internet sales. There is no need for cleaning. We can directly load it. Okay, now the tables have been loaded. Now we can check whether the relationships between the table is correct. Go to the relationship models. And check whether all the relationships are correct. Customer key and date key. Take the visualization thing and here what we can do is that we will compare. First we will try this stacked column chart. We will see how the data is being plotted in this. After taking sales amount from fact table, we can go and get the calendar year and place it in the axis. And so we got the year. Now we can give one more dimension like measure. We can, I mean, in dimension we can give it in the legend, like gender we can keep. So here we can find, okay, how much. So here we can find the female and the male distribution. We can give the data labels and border also. So here we can clearly see, okay, this is in millions. We can change it to we can change it to thousands. So here, since the value is less, the chart is not shown that much. So we'll take the exact thing, copy and paste, and we will use the next chart, that is stack chart bar. And here, of course, we can view it more details. The female is coming higher and the male is lower, but still the male is showing up here also. It should have shown up since it is since the value is less, it is not showing up. So for a better view, we can try the same thing in a ribbon chart. We can take the or we can copy and paste it also. And we can use the ribbon chart for that. More clearer in this chart. Okay, here you can see properly. Here we can see the male is greater than female, but still it is shown in an ordered way. But for ribbon chart, whatever is greater, that will come above. So now we can use the same thing for ribbon chart. So here we can find out, see, here everywhere female is higher, and in 2014, actually here it is. This is the value here. Actually, male is greater than female. So what happened? You can see this graph changing. The color, the color which is for the male is coming high above, and the color which is for the female is coming down. This chart also we can almost similar. It is we can make it almost similar like this chart. That we can go to the ribbons and can change the border, not border. To change it, you can change it to 100, and it will become like this. And here also, see the difference. Whichever value is greater, that is coming higher. Here, since the male value is greater, that is coming higher. So this gives much more insight than these clustered chart and the stacked chart, clustered column and stacked chart, because here we can find out all the measures with respect to the year which is higher, and at the same time we can find out from that value which legend is higher, like inside category which one is higher also we can make out. So this gives more insight than that of this stacked chart and clustered chart. So this is the big difference between ribbon chart and the other charts. So ribbon chart gives more details. You can change the ribbon chart like this. If you can use this way, or you can change it to this way by giving 100% here, 100 transparency here. So in this way, we can use this ribbon chart for getting more insights. And I hope this will help you in your study in Power BI. And if you have any doubts or any comments about this, you can write it below. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.